Hello everyone, this is Abhijit Paradkar from Patugala College of Commerce and Management. In this session, I am going to discussing about correlation analysis. So, in this entire video, I am going to cover meaning of correlation analysis, the difference between correlation analysis and causation, interpretation of correlation coefficient, and how to form the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis for correlation analysis. So, let us begin with the meaning of correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is a statistical tool to study the strength of the association between two variables. So, in this session, I am going to discuss the correlation analysis for two variables only. We can also use correlation analysis to find the association for more than two variables, but in this session I am going to discuss only two variables. Let's take the example. Suppose price and quantity demanded. So here we have two variables, price and quantity demanded. Another example is income and expenditure, rain and crop production, gender and salary. So we can examine the association between two variables with the help of correlation analysis. Now, correlation analysis talk about two things: direction of the association and strength of the association. We first understand the idea of direction of the association. Now, whether the two variables positively related or negatively related with each other. A negative relationship between two variables means value of one variable decreases as the value of another variable increases. So, here we can take example of price and quantity demanded. As price increases, quantity demanded decreases. So, two variables are negatively related with each other. A positive correlation between two variables means if the value of one variable increases, then the value of the another variable is also increases. So we can take example of income and expenditure, or price and quantity supply. So two variables are positively related with each other. So we can visualize this direction of the association between two variables with the help of scatter plot. So scatter plot help us to identify the direction of the association between two variables that we have, but this scatter plot fails to tell us about the intensity of the correlation between two variables, and this intensity or strength of the association can be identified or can be examined with the help of correlation coefficient. So, whether the two variables are strongly associated with each other or weakly associated with each other, whether this relationship is strong or weak between two variables, that can be identified with the help of correlation coefficient. So, correlation coefficient gives us the direction and intensity of the association between two variables. Now, does correlation coefficient implies causation? The answer is no. A significant correlation between two variables does not imply the causation. So correlation and causation are two different things. We cannot establish causal relationship between two variables. with the help of correlation analysis. Let us understand with the help of example. Suppose we find the significant positive correlation between IQ and level of income. Now, from this information, we cannot say that this significant also fails to say that their higher IQ causes more income or more income causes higher IQ. So we cannot establish causal relationship between IQ and level of income. From correlation analysis, we only say that these variables are positively associated with each other, nothing more than that. Now, how we interpret the correlation coefficient? We know that correlation coefficient is denoted by small r and ranges from -1 to +1. So this table will help to interpret the result of your analysis and a value of coefficient correlation. So if r equals -1, then there is perfect negative correlation. If r lies between -1 to -0.5, then there is strong negative correlation. If r equals -0.5, then there is moderate negative correlation. If your r lies between 0 to -0.5, then there is weak negative correlation. If your r equals exactly 0, then there is no correlation. If r lies between 0 to 0.5, then there is weak positive correlation. If r equals 0.5, then there is moderate positive correlation. If r equals 0.5 to 1, then there is strong positive correlation, and r equals exactly 1, then there is perfect positive correlation. So if we find coefficient correlation significant, then we need to interpret whether the association between these two variables are strong or weak. Whether these two variables are positively associated or negatively associated. So sign of the correlation coefficient help us to understand the direction of the association and value of the r. That is, correlation coefficient help us understand the intensity of correlation coefficient. Thank you.